Hey, sixth grade. So for today's assignment, we are working on threats and status of the sea turtles. So you have a document like this attached to Google Classroom. It says, answer the following question based on your own knowledge in researching sea turtles. So for number one, write a list of why you think sea turtles are in jeopardy or trouble or danger. So what things do you think are the causes of sea turtles being in danger? Then, the next step, use the following website, Sea Turtle Threats, to help answer the following questions. So for the next 11, actually for the next, all of the next questions, you will use this Sea Turtle Threats website. It has all of the information that you'll need. You're going to define the following words. What does endangered species mean? What does vulnerable species mean? What does critically endangered mean? What does extinct species mean? If you can't find one of these on this Sea Turtle Threats website, you could look it up elsewhere. You've had multiple websites you've used, so you are welcome to use something else if you can't find it on Sea Turtle Threats. Then you are going to identify the global status of the 7 sea turtles. Use the provided website above to help you. So if you click on this link, it takes you to this website, Sea Turtle Threats. All of the information you need is on here. There is a section that actually says global status. That's what you put here. So it's asking you, is the loggerhead turtle considered endangered? Is it considered vulnerable? It's all on this website for you. Okay, so you're just going to go to that website. Then you're going to do that for all 7 of the sea turtles. Then the last part of this assignment, using the given website. So using this website right here, list the top 6 threats to the sea turtles. So you just list them right here on your document. Again, here's that seaturtles.org website. 6 top threats, all right there for you. You just have to put them here. This part of the assignment, using the given website, list the 6 top threats. This is going to be the beginning of the assignment for next week. So you want to make sure you do all of this work so then you are prepared for the next part of this assignment. As always, Ms. Fromelt and I will be on Google Meet from 1 to 1:30. You can email us with questions. If you plan to get on Google Meet, make sure you have questions in mind to ask us. That is what that time is for. Have a great day.